Good morning, my first grade readers. So, we are already on to week 4 of our sight words. That means that there are going to be 40 words on your word wall because you guys are doing an awesome job practicing those words. So, let's go ahead and get started and see which 10 words we're adding this week. We have but, all, were, as, they, when, your, said, or, their. Oh, so those were the 10 words that we're adding to our word wall. And as you can see, our word wall is already filling up. So we're just going to real quickly go through all the words. So let's look. We'll start under A. Under A, we have a, at, and, an, are, all, as. If we hop over to B, we have be, by, but. If we hop over to the letter C, we have can. We're going to hop all the way over to F, and we have the word for. Under H, we have, he, had. Under I, we have it, in, is, I. All the way over to M, we have me. Under N, we have not. Under O, we have on, of, and or. Then we hop all the way over to S. Under S, we have she and said. Under T, we have lots of words. We have the, to, this, that, they, and their. Then we're going to hop over to W, and we have was, with, we, what, were, when. And then when we hop to Y, we have you and your. Remember, some words from this are really tricky, and they look a lot like some of the words we already have up here. So it might take you a couple times going through it. But that's why we practice, practice, practice. Remember, you want to look at the word wall every day, and you're going to be trying to figure out those mystery words, because those mystery words, I'm going to be making them more and more tricky because you guys are getting so smart. So thanks for participating today, guys, and I'll see you tomorrow on the word wall.